Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Natural Cotton Rounds Reusable 16 Packs, Reusable Bamboo Makeup Remover Pads for Face, Reusable Facial Pads, Reusable Facial Cotton Rounds with Laundry Bag, Bamboo Velour 3-color. These are much larger and softer than the disposable kind and so easy to toss in the wash in their little bag. There were times that those had little plastics pieces that would scratch, and when it's around your eyes it hurts a lot. The sliding piece on the bag that keeps the bag closed broke almost immediately but isn't necessary. It also hasn't been an inconvenience. Love these makeup removers. They are soft and absorbent, the perfect size to remove all your makeup, and they are washable. They don't absorb water product as readily as does a cotton ball, so you have to seep the product in a little more, but other than that these are great. They are perfect for applying toner. They take a little longer to dry than my clothes do in the dryer, but that's not a big deal. They get the job done and are easy to throw in the washer, but their stained have black makeup residue that's permanent. The small package they were in arrived in a comparably large box. They could have been placed in a much smaller non-cardboard envelope, which would have been much less impact on the environment. They don't absorb quite as well as the disposable pads, but with a few extra seconds of patience you should be fine. The laundry bag isn't very sturdy and the drawstring doesn't stay in place when washing. You have to play I Spy to find them all, but it's not a deal breaker by any means. It also comes in a pack of 16, so you don't have to worry about running out before doing a load of laundry. The only downside is that the mesh bag has a sliding clasp to keep it closed during the washing, and the clasp broke on second wash. The color looks great, the material is nice, and besides the screen protector it came with an extra set of foot stickers. The best part is that they came with their own little wash bag that works really well at keeping the face pads from wandering all over the rest of the laundry. The pads on the left are before they are washed and the pads on the right are after being washed with a stain fighter. The only negative for me is that one side seems to be a different material that is not as absorbent or soft. They work great after multiple washes, and the wash bag is super handy and easy to throw in with your laundry. The only downside is they re-gun so fast depending on how consistent you are with your routine, but that's more a downside on my part for only having one order worth of them and not being good about doing my laundry consistently. They are soft and large enough to remove your makeup and easy to clean with the bag that is included with purchase. These glide nicely on my face and they feel so soft. Furthermore, they don't have any chemicals like cotton balls and rounds have. These are working out great. Removes all my makeup, then throw in the mesh bag and wash soft and clean well. They have a little bit of texture which is perfect for getting the hard to remove eyeliner mascara off my face. The blue, pink and white rounds are fantastic. They wash well, are soft, take off makeup well, and are really cute. Until you wash them they won't absorb micellar water very well, but you can also wet them with tap water first. Makeup foundation isn't a part of my regular routine, but it was great for its removal, including mascara, which is always a pain in the eye sockets to me. It's so much gentler on my skin that it feels clean while also not being red from scrubbing and dried out from cleansers. They are super soft and work a lot better than disposable face wipes since they don't leave any residue on my skin. And as other folks have mentioned, the rounds stain easily and go an unsettling gray color even after you wash them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.